Hey guys, in this video we're gonna go over how to delete your ATM account permanently, and this is what I did, okay? And I'm also showing you their official terms of service. So what you basically need to do, okay? I sent an email to this email address, support@airtm.io, right? So you need to write an email just requesting permanent deletion of your account. So that is how you close your account. And AirTM will basically ask you to confirm your email address and potentially answer a security question, to verify identity before they proceed with the deletion process. And once they verify identity and the request has been processed, your AirTM account will be permanently closed, guys. Remember, you cannot get it back again. Okay, once you go through with this, it is permanent. Right? So just take that into account. But otherwise, it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to Smart Solutions. And I'll see you in the next one.